Unit 1. Garden. Hey, have you seen my garden lately?
No, I haven't. How is it looking these days?
It's amazing. The flowers are blooming beautifully and the colors are so vibrant. The roses are in full bloom and their fragrance fills the air.
That sounds lovely. What other plants do you have in your garden?
Well, I have some lavender bushes along the pathway, and they're attracting so many bees and butterflies. It's like a mini nature haven right in my backyard.
Wow, that must be a sight to see. Any other plants catching your attention?
Yes, I recently planted a vegetable patch. I have tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers growing there. They're all thriving and starting to bear fruit.
That's fantastic. Fresh homegrown vegetables are the best. Are you facing any challenges with your garden?
Not really. I've been watering the plants regularly and keeping an eye out for any pests. So far, everything seems to be going smoothly.
That's great to hear. It sounds like you're putting a lot of effort into maintaining your garden.
Absolutely. It's become my little sanctuary, and taking care of it brings me so much joy and relaxation.
I can imagine. Gardens have a way of providing tranquility and a connection with nature. I should come over sometime and see it for myself.
You're always welcome. I'd love to show you around and maybe even give you some gardening tips.
That would be fantastic. Thanks. I'm looking forward to it.
Anytime. Just let me know when you're free. Unit 2. Conversation between neighbors.
Hi, how's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you. My parents are enjoying their retirement and spending more time traveling.
That's wonderful to hear. And how about your siblings?
My sister just started a new job and she's really excited about the opportunities it brings. She's also planning to move into her own apartment soon.
That's great news for her. And what about your children?
They're growing up so fast. My son is excelling in school and recently joined the soccer team. My daughter is exploring her artistic side and has been taking painting classes.
That's impressive. It sounds like your family is thriving. How about your grandparents?
Unfortunately, my grandparents are struggling with some health issues. However, they have a strong support system in place, and we're doing everything we can to help them through this challenging time.
I'm sorry to hear that, but it's comforting to know that they have your family's support. Family is so important.
Absolutely, we believe in standing by each other through thick and thin. It's what keeps us going.
Well, I'm glad to hear that everyone is doing well overall. If there's ever anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate your kindness. Likewise, if you ever need anything, we're here for you too. That's what neighbors are for, right?
Absolutely. We're lucky to have such a supportive community. Take care and give my regards to your family.
Will do. Take care as well, and I'll pass on your regards to my family. Have a great day.
Unit 3. Calling to get a reservation. Hello, I would like to reserve a table for tonight at 7 p.m.
Of course, we can help you with that. How many people will be in your party?
There will be 4 of us.
Great! And what name should I put the reservation under?
It's under the name Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. We have a few options available for you. Would you prefer a table indoors or outdoors?
We would like an indoor table, please.
Noted. Is there any specific seating area you would like, such as a booth or near the window?
Actually, a booth would be perfect if one is available.
Understood. We'll do our best to accommodate your request. Can I also confirm your contact number in case we need to reach you?
Sure, my phone number is 555-1234.
Thank you for providing your contact number, Mr. Smith. Your reservation for a booth for 4 people, indoors, is confirmed for tonight at 7 p.m. We look forward to welcoming you.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much for your assistance.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye. Unit 4. Conversation between 2 friends after a long time. Hey, it's so good to see you. It's been such a long time.
I know, right? I've missed you. How have you been?
I've been doing well, thanks. Just keeping busy with work and some personal projects. How about you?
Oh, the usual. Work has been hectic, but I manage. Life has its ups and downs. Any exciting news on your end?
Well, I recently took up a new hobby. I've started painting and it's been such a therapeutic experience for me. I'm really enjoying it.
That's amazing. I'm glad you found something you love. Do you have any of your artwork to show me?
Actually, I brought some pictures on my phone. Here, take a look. These are a few of my recent paintings.
Wow, these are incredible. You have such talent. I'm genuinely impressed.
Thank you so much. Your kind words mean a lot to me. So what have you been up to apart from work?
Well, I've been trying to travel more whenever I get some time off. I recently went on a trip to Europe and it was breathtaking. I visited some amazing places and tried different cuisines.
That sounds fantastic. I've always wanted to travel more. Any recommendations for must-visit places?
Definitely. I can share some of my favorite spots and give you some travel tips. Let's grab a coffee sometime soon and I'll fill you in on all the details.
That would be perfect. Let's make a plan. It's great to catch up with you, friend. We should do this more often.
Absolutely. Life gets busy, but we shouldn't let it keep us apart for so long. Let's promise to stay in touch and meet up more frequently. It's always a pleasure spending time with you.
I couldn't agree more. Friends like you make life so much better. Okay, let's make that coffee date soon. Take care until then.
You too. See you soon. Bye.
Unit 5. Conversation between husband and wife. Honey, what's your favorite season and why?
Oh, that's a tough question. But if I had to choose, I would say spring. I love how everything comes alive during this season.
Spring, huh? What makes it so special for you?
Well, first of all, I adore the mild weather. It's not too hot or too cold, just the perfect balance. I enjoy being able to step outside without worrying about bundling up or sweating excessively.
That's true. Spring does have a pleasant temperature. What else do you like about it?
The blooming flowers and vibrant colors everywhere make me so happy. Seeing the cherry blossoms and tulips in full bloom brings a sense of joy and renewal. It's like nature is waking up after a long winter slumber.
I can see why that would be appealing. Is there anything else that attracts you to spring?
Absolutely. Spring is also a season of anticipation and new beginnings. I love witnessing the trees regain their leaves and watching baby animals exploring the world. It's a reminder that life is constantly evolving and moving forward.
You have a point there. Spring does represent a fresh start. I must admit, though, I have a soft spot for summer. The long, sunny days and the opportunity to spend more time outdoors are hard to beat.
I understand your love for summer. It's hard to resist the allure of warm beaches and refreshing swims. Plus, it's a great time for vacations and making lasting memories with family and friends.
Yes, summer definitely has its charms. But I can see why spring holds a special place in your heart. The awakening of nature and the sense of rejuvenation it brings must be truly wonderful.
It truly is, dear. Each season has its own magic, but spring has a unique way of making me feel alive and hopeful. It's a time of growth and transformation, both in nature and within ourselves.
I couldn't have said it better. I'm glad we can appreciate the beauty of different seasons together and find joy in each of them.
Me too, my love. It's one of the many reasons why I cherish our conversations and shared experiences.